Sir, I do not have the list of all the projects that we have submitted to the Government of India through the Department of Economic Affairs, Government of India, in terms of the dates when they were submitted and the full list of all the projects which have not yet been, the LOA has not, the loan signing has not been done. But I do have the list of the projects where the signing has been done. So I'll be happy to share it, or I can read it. I just mentioned in summary that there are 16 projects where the signing has been completed, and the total amount of this, as I mentioned earlier, is amounting to 11,324 crores. And just to share with the House, this is definitely one of the highest that any of the smaller states has received, especially the northeastern states. This is the highest that any of the smaller states has received. So it's a very, very big achievement by the state government that we have received 11,324 crores worth of externally aided projects. And for the benefit of all the members, I want to repeat once again, and LO has very categorically mentioned that these are great sources of funding for us. Because in the cases of northeastern states and the special category states, the loan component, which amounts to about 72%, is completely repaid back by the Government of India. And hence, this is almost, like a grant that comes to us. It is a grant, sir, 70%, 72% grant. And 28%, which has to be borne by the state government, we have to pay it in advance. So it's not a loan component. So 28% is the contribution of the state, 72% is the loan component given through Government of India to us, repaid back by Government of India and not by the state government. So therefore, a lot of people have felt that we're taking loan and on. So this is not a loan. This is a grant for us, and it's a great way to get resources. I also want to, on a lighter note, share with you, sir, that in my last meetings with the Honorable Finance Minister, the Honorable Finance Minister ultimately, and the department, the Finance Ministry, had to put a ceiling on the number of externally aided projects that states could take, because Meghalaya was taking all the externally aided projects. And they ended up putting a ceiling saying that how can Meghalaya take all the externally aided projects? They cannot. So they put a ceiling and they stopped the projects because we were taking too many projects. And of course they have a reason for it, that Meghalaya is putting the proposals, we are implementing it well, but at the end of the day, it is Government of India that has to repay back the loans. And so they were under tremendous pressure because we were continuously engaging. And the fact that we've been getting so many projects is because of the overall capacity of the state to put in the projects as well as to implement the projects. Thank you.